Trying to promote your business on Instagram? Watch this video for tips on how you can use Instagram to promote your business. For the best social media advice, especially if you're a healthcare professional, subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Here's the thing, social media is an amazing way to promote your business. I know from firsthand because I used Instagram to build my entire practice. I know you're probably thinking that because you probably don't do hair or beauty or fashion that Instagram won't work for you, but here's the truth. It's actually a gold mine. Even if you're a healthcare professional and you're trying to grow your business using Instagram, it can really work for you. And I'm so excited that you've tuned in for this video because I'm going to show you 6 steps on how you can use Instagram to really promote your business and get new patients into your door. Okay, so step number 1 is going to be to decide what outcome you're looking for. So before you start posting a bunch of photos and videos, you need to really decide what you're going to get your audience to do with those photos and videos. Are you trying to send them to a website? Are you trying to get them to call your office? Right now you're probably thinking, I want them to do both. But whatever you decide to do, wherever you're trying to push them from those videos and photos that you're posting, once you figure out the direction you're trying to go, you can actually work backwards to create your marketing strategy. Step number 2 is going to be to specify your niche. So when you niche down, it's actually a lot easier for you to grow. Why? Well, it's because people are looking for specificity. One mistake that I commonly see is people trying to have too broad of an audience. They're trying to market to everybody because they feel like they're going to miss out if they're just marketing to one specific person, if they're just super niche down. And most people want everybody to notice them. But this is the wrong way to think about it. For example, if you're trying to establish yourself as a dog trainer, you're going to be marketing to other people who have dogs, so dog owners and dog lovers. So you should be creating content about training dogs, maybe what type of collar to use, what type of leash to be using, tips on how to train your dog, what age to start training your dog. If instead you created all kinds of content like old vintage cars, you're never going to gain a true following of people who will know you and like you for being a dog training expert. So you really need to pick a niche and then start creating your social media content specifically around that niche. Now, if you're a healthcare professional, you're going to want to be really specific and niche down on a specific topic within your field. So for example, I'm a cosmetic dentist. I focus heavily on cosmetic dentistry. If you're a therapist, what kind of therapist are you? Are you a marriage and family therapist? Are you an adolescent therapist? So you're going to have to really niche down and get specific. Step number 3 is to get your bio on point. Your bio is the first thing that people see when they land on your page. So who are you? What do you do? Where can people call to get in contact with you? Do you have a blog? Do you have a website? How can they get connected with you? So let's take my bio, for example. I'm a cosmetic dentist. In my bio, I have cosmetic dentistry. I have expert in reconstructive and cosmetic dentistry. I have my phone number. I have my website, and I have my office address. Before I was really serious about my page, my bio read something like, I love my fur baby, OC, LA, fashion travel, lover of tea. I'm pretty sure if you were following me back then and you landed on my Instagram page, you had really no idea what I did. What does dog lover or lover of tea have anything to do with my business? It doesn't. When people land on my page, they had no idea what I did. Why would anybody come to me? If you were a potential patient looking for a cosmetic dentist and cosmetic work and you happened to land on my page and it said, I love my fur baby, LAOC, would you come to me? Probably not. But if you were a potential patient and you landed on my page now where it says exactly what I do, how to get in contact with me, and there's more information about me on there, you may keep scrolling to see what I have to offer. So you've got to get your bio together. Now I want you to comment below with what your niche actually is. I really want to know what your niche is so that I can help you move forward in your business. Step number 4 is going to be to get clear on who you are talking to. So you really need to nail down who exactly you are talking to. Who is your ideal audience? Who's your ideal patient? It's a similar theory to niching down on social media presence. Without knowing who you are trying to attract, all of your efforts will fall flat. And when you're trying to talk to everybody, you're actually talking to nobody. So identify exactly who you are talking to. Be specific. If you are that therapist, are you treating somebody between the ages of 12 and 20? Are you treating somebody between the ages of 40 to 50? How you would market to that age range of 10 to 20 is much different than how you would market to that age range of 40 to 50. They're at different stages in life. They're dealing with much different things. Even a woman in her 30s, you would market to differently than you would a woman in her 40s. So get specific about who you are talking to. Now, a simple way to do this is to take a look at who you are already treating. So who are the patients that you're already treating and who are you enjoying treating? If your current patients are your ideal patients, then you could model that as your ideal patient and work towards getting followers that are similar to the patients you're already treating. Now, if the patients you're already treating are not your ideal patient, then you want to get really specific about who your ideal patient is and start making content to attract your ideal patient, the person that you want to see in your office. Step number 5 is going to be consistent. Social media grows the fastest when you are consistent. It sounds simple and obvious, but so many people have a hard time with staying consistent. In order to get people to follow you, engage with you, and in order for you to turn those followers into actual patients in your office, they need to know who you are and they need to trust you. And the only way that they are going to get to know you and they're going to trust you is if you show up consistently on the platform and show who you are. They will start trusting you when they see that you're being loyal to them first. So when you're showing up consistently for them and you're consistently giving them valuable content, they will develop a relationship with you that they need in order to become an active patient in your practice. Now, I've given you 5 steps to show you exactly what to do in order to use Instagram to promote your business. And if you want more ways of helping you be consistent, then I have something perfect for you. I have an Instagram guide that is created specifically for healthcare professionals. The link for it is in the description below. What you're gonna get is 30 captions that you can copy and paste when you're tired, or you can use those captions as inspiration to create your own post. So you're also gonna get a daily Instagram strategy with this guide. So make sure to click on the link below so that you can download your free Instagram guide. I know I told you I had 6 steps, so here is step number 6. I want you to share your results on your Instagram page or any social media platform that you're using. So you wanna share the results that your patients have gotten from you. You want to share what your patients are saying about you. It's so simple. If a patient sends you a DM or they leave you a nice comment or they leave you a review, screenshot it and upload it to your feed or upload it into your Instagram or Facebook story. These type of pictures will really get your followers to take action. Another thing that you could do by sharing your results, it's not all about testimonials. It's if you have before and after photos or before and after stories, you can share them with your audience. You're basically showing your following what you can provide for them and getting them excited about you and what you have to offer. When you share things like this and when you're getting some social proof, it will make your followers want to take action because they see other people taking action as well. So there you have it. Now you have your 6 steps. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you share it with your fellow colleagues. Also, I'd love for you to comment with the word helpful if this video was helpful for you. And don't forget to download my Instagram guide specifically for healthcare professionals that is in the description below this video. I'll see you in the next video.